What should I wear to enhance my 362436 figure?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to dress to enhance your 362436 figure. Whether you naturally have this hourglass shape or want to create the illusion of one, we've got you covered with some helpful fashion tips. Let's dive right in.
Understanding your body shape.
Before we get into specific clothing recommendations, it's important to understand your body shape. The 362436 figure refers to having a bust measurement of 36 inches, a waist measurement of 24 inches, and hip measurement of 36 inches. This shape is considered the classic hourglass figure, characterized by well-proportioned curves.
Emphasizing your waist.
One of the key aspects of the 362436 figure is a defined waistline. To enhance this feature, opt for clothing that cinches in at the waist. Dresses and tops with belts, wrap dresses, and high-waisted bottoms are all excellent choices. These styles will highlight your waist, creating an even more pronounced hourglass silhouette.
Accentuating your curves.
Since the hourglass figure is defined by its curves, it's important to choose clothing that accentuates them. Fitted and tailored garments will be your best friends. Look for dresses, tops, and skirts that follow the contours of your body without being too tight. A-line dresses, pencil skirts, and peplum tops can all enhance your curves while maintaining an elegant and balanced look.
Choosing the right necklines.
The neckline of your outfit can also play a significant role in enhancing your figure. V-neck tops and dresses are particularly flattering for hourglass shapes as they draw attention to the bust area, emphasizing your curves. Sweetheart, scoop, and boat necklines can also work well to showcase your décolletage and highlight your natural assets.
Selecting the right fabrics.
The right choice of fabric can make a difference in how your outfit flatters your figure. For an hourglass shape, opt for fabrics that have some stretch or drape, as they will mold to your curves nicely. Fabrics such as jersey, silk, chiffon, and stretchy blends can all be excellent choices. Avoid stiff or boxy fabrics that may hide your curves rather than accentuating them.
Playing with proportions.
While it's important to highlight your curves, playing with proportions can add a stylish twist to your overall look. Consider pairing fitted tops with wide leg pants or a full skirt with a cropped top. This contrast between fitted and loose elements can create a visually interesting balance and draw attention to your waist and curves. There you have it. Dressing to enhance your 362436 figure is all about emphasizing your waist, accentuating your curves, choosing the right necklines, selecting flattering fabrics, and playing with proportions. Remember, these are just guidelines, and ultimately, it's important to wear what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Experiment with different styles and have fun expressing your personal fashion sense. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.